just a dream.
You're awake.
Hey!
How do you feel? You are hurt, so we took care of your wound. You can stay here until you get better. I will get you some food. Hey, watch me. We drink soup using this.
Bye-bye and thanks for dinner.
Rex will and I'll come back again.
See you.
Every time I see those two, it's as if Mowgli is still here.
You're still worried about him?
We can't even begin to imagine what he will face after entering human society.
I don't understand humans, but I know that in any society, they are both good and bad. The skills he learned to survive in the jungle will be useful.
Mowgli and I have always had a strong connection. I think he is as worried as I am right now.
Relax. Bagheera said the humans who took him looks gentle. He'll be fine. Go and rest. I'll do the dishes. I wonder if Father and Mother are alright. Father is probably doing the dishes right now.
We've done everything we can, but we still don't have permission to begin.
We already used correction tape to hide all the records of your past. How come everybody still knows?
Boss, if this continues, Wild Beast Company will fail. No matter how great the quality or quantity of trees we cut, if we don't have certification, Nobody will want to buy it. It's too hard to keep going.
Wow! Boss, your hymn is so cool. I want to do it too.
How cool!
No matter how cool you are, you're just a pale imitation. I'm the boss, and you'll never be able to copy me.
I want to hear your esteemed opinions.
Always follow in your footsteps.
I'll just register another company, make some changes, and the problem is solved, right?
Why didn't we think of that?
The new company will be called Monkey. Think about it. Monkeys are so cute, clever, and love to play. Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha!
Why aren't you in bed? You scared me. Did you sleep well? Let's take a walk, shall we? Look at this. Could you wear this? Well, it looks good. Later, I'll take you to see my friend. She'll teach you to speak. Let's learn to speak.
Speak.
B-A-B, B-E-B, B-I, Bicky Bye, B-O-Bo, Bicky Bible, B-U-Boo, Bicky Bible, Boo. C-A-Say, C-E-C, C-I, Sicky Sai, C-O-So, Sicky Sai, So, C-U-Soo, Sicky Sai, So, Soo.
Get the idea, Mowgli? Now we'll all join together on the letter D.
D-A-Day, D-E-D, D-I, Dicky Die, D-O-Do, Dicky Die Do, D-U-Do, Dicky Die Do Do.
F-A-Fi, F-E-Fi, F-I, Ficky-Fi, F-O-Fo, Ficky-Fi-Fo, F-U-Foo, Ficky-Fi-Fo, Foo.
Jicky Jai, G-O-Jo, Jicky Jai Jo, G-U-Ju, Jicky Jai Jo Ju. H-A-Hey, H-E-He, H-I-Hicky Hi, H-O-Ho, Hicky Hi-Ho, H-U-Ho, Hicky Hi-Ho. J-J, J-E-G, J-I-Jicky Jai, J-O-Jo, Jicky Jai Jo, J-U-Ju, Jicky Jai Jo Ju. Hey-Hey, K-E-G, K-I-Jicky Hi, J-O-Jo, Jicky Jai Jo.
Hello. Hi.
That's fast. How boring. Let's not play hide and seek. His nose is too good. Have somebody else be it.
Come to think of it, Wolf cubs don't play hide and seek, right? Their noses are too good, and the game wouldn't be challenging.
How would you know? Maybe they're even more competitive. Hurry up, it's your turn.
Let's play something else.
How about him?
Hey, where are you going?
Home. You're home. Who is in your family?
Father wolf and mother wolf. Home. Your home. Who is in your family?
I had a family, but I lost my child.
Lost? A child?
"10 years ago, I had a child, a beautiful boy. His father and I loved him very much. The first time he stood up, we decided to all wear this necklace as a symbol of our eternal family that will never part. But unfortunately, because of my work constantly bring me to the jungle, most of the time the boy spent his time with his dad in the city. One winter, he and our son took a plan to come see me so we could spend Christmas together. The plan, it crashed. Thank you, child. Can you tell me your name?
Mowgli.
Mowgli. If you are willing, you can stay here forever. This can be your home. Okay, time for bed. Mowgli, where do you want to sleep tonight? It's okay. The moon is beautiful tonight. Let's sleep outside. I'll go with you.
Father Wolf, Mother Wolf, can you temporarily adopt me?
Come, sit. Tell me what happened.
My home is gone. Humans drove a car with a big arm on it all around, destroying everything. My home is now a barren landscape and I have nowhere to go.
Our region might also fall into their grasp, so I guess it's inevitable.
I believe we'll be forced to move soon ourselves.
While we are still able to help, Baloo can stay here for a few days.
Yay!
This is...
Honey, I'll be very clean and guarantee there will be no ants.
Something bad is happening. Shere Khan entered the human village to slaughter them.
Shere Khan, you ran into a human village without thinking about what humans would do to you?
Humans destroyed animal homes. I came to destroy their homes, so I know what it feels like to lose everything. I knew you were with the humans. So what? You will learn to use humans to scare us? Didn't you claim to be a child of the jungle?
You've crossed the line this time. You only believe what you think and don't care if it's true or not. There are actually very few bad people. Most of them are good.
You're too naive. The destruction of the jungle is progressing fast. They've almost reached a wolf parrot home. By my estimates, they should reach them tonight.
Do you see that? That tiger is listening to Mowgli.
Scary. Maybe it was Mowgli who brought the tiger here.
I don't want to be classmates with this type of person. Go away, Scram! Go away,
ugly monster!
Go away,
Stop! Mowgli is a human, not a tiger. If you're scared, go home. Don't misjudging and don't attack others. Mowgli, are you okay?
My wolf parents are in danger. I need to go save them.
No!
Let me go.
No, for your safety, I can't let you go there.
My wolf parents are in danger. I need to go save them.
Mowgli, you are only a child. Even if you go, you cannot save them.
No, I am already 10. I am an adult. I am not a child.
In a human world, you are just a child.
Though I am human by blood, I was raised by wolves. Now my wolf tribe is in danger. I can't just leave them.
What if you can save them? I lost you once 10 years ago. I won't lose you again.
You already knew?
Yes. The day will rescue you. I knew you were.
I've already bandaged him up. Don't worry. Let him rest a few days and he will wake up.
Doctor, thank you.
It's my job. Oh, right. While bandaging him up, I found this necklace. Here, you can have it.
If you already knew, why did you pretend not to know?
I was worried that you wouldn't accept me, so I returned the necklace to you.
Mother.
What did you call me?
Mother, you are my human mother.
Mowgli, my child. Let's go home. Starting from today, I'll protect you.
I know you want to protect me, but there's also something I want to protect. The jungle and the wolves who raised me.
Doing it on your own is too dangerous.
No, I am not alone. Back to the jungle. This is my whole world. Ow! I'm back. Where are you? Mom? Dad? I'm too late.
Child, what are you crying about?
Mom! Dad! Where did you go? I thought you were... I'm so glad to see you.
We went nearby to dig a hole to bury the honey in because if it's kept at home, there are still ants.
Father, Mother, you need to leave this place.
Why?
Because bad people are coming.
You see that? This is just a demonstration, a warning.
A demonstration! A warning!
If anybody stands in our way,
If anybody stands in our way,
then they will end up like this.
then they will end up like this.
No, it's Bagheera. He's been captured.
Bagheera, are you alright?
What are you scared of? We already got a leopard. What's a bear to us?
Humans are too cruel. I can't stand it.
If being civilized means we need to bow down, then I'll show you barbaric pride. I'm going to save him.
No! Father, I already learned the human language. Let me go talk to them.
Look!
What animal is it this time? Tigers? You overestimate yourself. Everybody, attack!
Scary! So scary!
You useless people! It's just a few tigers and you're scared with this. Scary! So scary! So scary!
Boss!
I was just easing up the tension in the air. Are these animals stupid or what? I already got permission to start the expansion. They don't know who the owner of the world is. The judge, the jury, and the witnesses are all my people. How can you compete?
Stop! Mowgli!
The boss opened fire.
But is that the tiger who fell? It's a child? Oh no, murder!
Child, you are a hero.
How did things turn out like this? Child, thank you. I never thought you would sacrifice your own life for our safety. I feel so guilty about everything I did to you. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Shere Khan. You were only trying to protect your home.
Mowgli! My child, you're okay? That's great.
I'm fine, just dizzy.
Do you really think I'm that evil? This is just a tranquilizer.
Please take these machines away and stop your work. The jungle is home to all forms of life. Humans who want a better life should also learn the law of the jungle and respect all animals. This way, everybody can pursue their own happiness and coexist with nature.
From the mouth of a child, I feel ashamed.
He's willing to take the bullet for animals. Not everybody can do something like that. What are we still standing around for? Are we the devil's helpers?
So what if it's a child? He knows nothing. Ignore his nonsense and keep working.
Sorry, but we quit!
If you won't do it, I will.
I long suspected the information on your application was fake. Now we have witnesses. Officer, he's yours.
You.
Freeze, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Mother!
Mowgli! Mowgli, are you okay?
I'm fine. Mother, these animals raised me. My father, my mother, and my playmate. They're all my family.
Mowgli! Mowgli, I hope you are willing to return to the human village and live with me. Will you?
I want to stay in the jungle.
Child, you should return to your human mother.
If you are worried about us and stay, that would really be a waste of your unique background.
Being able to speak on behalf of us animals is what we hope you can do for us.
Mother, I'll return to human society with you. But before I go, I want you to tell me my human name.
Child, your name is Mowgli. This is the name your wolf family gave to you. You are my child, and also a child of the jungle.
I will cherish the beautiful memories of this place and dedicate my life to protecting it.
I must insist to sing a song and how we came and rushed along to help Mowgli from Shere Khan. The horrible cat doesn't weigh a ton. Mowgli, Mowgli, he's been through much, and more would have been too much. We are just glad that he's okay to live with us every day. Mowgli, Mowgli, my big baby, soon you'll be as big as a tree, strong too and wise to boot. Just don't forget to be good.
I've learned much today, that family and friends go a long way. Don't you dismay and run away. They'll always be there to light your way. I've learned much today, that life goes its own way. We all need peace and harmony. We all need as a message in this melody. The melody, the melody. We all need peace and harmony. We all need as a message in this melody. The melody, the melody. Live a life that's free. Live a life that's free.
What happened? I remember everybody was here. There were humans. How come everybody is gone? Was that a dream? Hey! Somebody! Come help me! Help! Help!
Well, first of all, when you are small, you pick yourself up when you fall. You show them all that though you are small, and your brain's like a ping pong ball, that you're smart. Yes, you can be smart. From now on, question. Hand to your face shows contemplation. 'Cause we're smart, yes, you